So I posted another poll recently asking which metallics color you guys would like to see in a black and white painting. And although it was generally close, the winner was gold. And there was this comment, someone said gold is so 2017, and I thought that was pretty funny, but I'm still going with that today. Now, the paints I'll be using are 2 brands of white acrylic paint mixed together. For the black, I mixed in some DecoArt Lamp Ebony Black and the Artist Loft. And for the gold, I'm going for Folkart Metallic Pure Gold, which is one that I've never tried yet, so let's hope this works out. So I'm going to be adding some Liquitex pouring medium to all of my paints. A little bit more to the black and to the white than usual. And then I'm going to be mixing these thoroughly and adding water to dilute to the right consistency. So before I go for this, I just want to say one little thing. I got this message from this lady who says that she watches her videos with her 4-year-old daughter. And I'm just going to say quickly there, but the story was that her little girl was playing with her toys and she was imitating things that I say in my videos and like pouring and stuff, pretending. It's just so cute. And she ended up saying, when I'm pretending to pour like MelyD because I want to be famous like her one day, or something like that. Now, I don't think that I'm famous, but it was just so adorable, and I just wanted to say hi to Emma Barrington. And just keep in mind, Emma, that if you set yourself goals and you work hard towards them, you can be whatever you want when you grow up. Alright, so I'm going to finish preparing these and I'm going for this. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going with. Sorry, I forgot these. Oh my god. What a day. Okay. Now I know I'll be moving it a lot. That's why I left that blank space in the middle. It's going to get filled anyway. Boom. Alright, so I am going to give this some time and I'll be back, you guys. I feel like moving it a tad more. Alright guys, so this is about an hour and a half later. Now, I'm liking the overall look. I don't know about you guys. I like that there's kind of like a black path there. And that part seems like it's moving into that one. Or anyway, I think that's pretty cool. Now, I don't know if you guys saw in the time lapse, but there was a white spot here that I didn't like. And I just blew on it with a straw. Just to give it some more effects. I thought it was boring over there. And look, ooh, a little sperm up there. That I did with my finger while I was trying to fix my sides. I'm really liking those effects there. I have to admit the Folkart gold isn't as intense as the Americana gold that I usually use. I'm not sure if I'm going to buy it again. It's still looking cool though. Alright, so stay tuned for the dried result. Back with the dried result, it's pretty hard to get it at a good angle to see all the gold the same color because of the shimmer, the lighting there. But the black did something a bit different. It's like if the colors separated there, creating those lines. You see that? Kind of, there's like waves in that middle part. It's pretty cool, I find. Different than usual. And all the effects dried exactly the same. I'm really loving that dark spot in the middle. Super shiny. Overall look, it's looking kind of cool. I'm liking it. So I hope you guys like this. Black, white, and gold. Bye guys.